right, so here we are at the Senior Design Showcase with the Penn State Lunar Lion. Would you tell us who you are, please?
Hi, I'm Chuan Xu from Mechanical Engineering.
Okay.
I'm Jun Liang Deng from Computer Engineering.
All right. We're going to go skip over Brian here for a second. Come over here and say...
I'm Shane Beeman, Engineering Science.
Okay. All right. And tell us who you are and tell us a little bit about the project, please.
Well, my name is Brian Scheibel. I'm an EE here at Penn State. And our project here is the prototype for the camera arm for the Penn State Lunar Lion. We have a poster kind of explaining what's going on. And that is our prototype right down there. And right now we have it doing pretty much automatically. It's full sequence. What will happen is the arm will come up. It'll take 4 pictures as it rotates around, and then it'll rotate back and go back down. And the camera we have attached here has an Wi-Fi card on it, and it'll send the images directly to our computer. It won't be in this exact video because we want to conserve a little battery on the camera for now, but I can show you the full mechanical process and you can kind of imagine how it would work. So right now all I have is it set up to, as soon as I press this button, the camera will come up. And when this is actually implemented on the craft, it'll be something other than a push button, obviously. It's just sending a signal. That's just to simulate, but it'll come up when it's landed. Once it reaches the top, it'll take a picture and it'll start to rotate. Okay, so the first picture would have been taken right now, and then it'll rotate for the second. Second picture. Third. And the final picture. And then, just so that it keeps the wires intact, it will rotate back around to uncoil these wires and then go back down.
What was the most exciting part about working on this project?
Well, it was definitely an experience to figure out all the different aspects to it. This particular project, as you might imagine, has a lot of different parts that require different knowledge. So it was nice to have a diverse team with mechanical, the comp eng, EE, and the E-side, so we can all work on different parts of the project. So that was interesting to see how that all came together. Getting the wireless images was a challenge for sure, but we're glad that we came through with that in the end. And the gear structure is actually pretty ingenious. How we managed to keep all the wires that you see on here out of the way and not having to twist or anything. So these are all kept separate, so we don't have to worry about those, just because of the way that this gearbox works. So that was a pretty interesting part. I personally liked making, because I'm an electrical engineer, I made this circuit board here that you can see that controls it. And actually, I tried my hand at making one pretty much by hand using toner transfer method. So made this, and then we printed it out, and it's being used as a shield to our Arduino right now that controls our arm. So,
Well, thank you very much, gentlemen. We appreciate your work on the Lunar Lion team.
Thank you.
Thank you.